Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me have a piece of news to drop on Uno my wisdom warriors. But before me get into the attack claps, an elderly Jamaican stuck in New York as consulate and courier company deny responsibility for her missing travel document. The family of an 86-year-old Jamaican migrant has turned to the local media in their effort to get redress from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs after what was to be a month-long wait for a renewed passport morphed into 6 months. They say the new document supposedly went missing en route to the Jamaican consulate in New York. So we my wisdom warriors. We have to dissect this, We have to dissect this here. So remember, it is a courier company. We're linked to them. So obviously, if the people them are wait from Wapi kill fill up and I get it, who them are gonna blame? Who no talk truth? Who no think I gonna get the blame? It have to be the Jamaican consulate in New York. And them are gonna get the blame. So me don't know how them out here making it look like say them not have nothing to do with it. How them out here making it look like them not have nothing to do with it. But one thing me know with the Jamaican government, them never admit to nothing, my wisdom warriors. Don't you think a joke? A serious thing this. This is a serious thing. Matter of fact, once they receive the passport, they should have send out a link or send out an email and make them know say yes, they have received it, blah, blah, blah. But they never do that. Your sister didn't think need to update, and them same very one I talk about digital this every day and your ownless. Out and about digital. I'll me telling you something. A whole heap of information I go missing. Whole heap of hacking I go on. Whole heap of money I go get missing just because Andrew Honest come out and talk about digital. Any day in digitalized Jamaica, I this so everything I go shut down. On the things I joke? Just imagine amount of people lose their money. Lot of customers lose their money and I'll know they not get back a dime. When I have to look into things, when I have to use sleep and debt, my wisdom warriors, that me want to know if you do. You understand? And one thing, government of Jamaica never admit when they are wrong. They never admit when they are wrong. You understand? And right now, the family of the 86-year-old lady is very upset and them angry and everybody would be upset. Everybody. Because, remember saying, the consulate link to the courier company. You understand? I know them out here are deny responsible, so they're not responsible for it. Of course, you're not responsible for. You have to stop it. Of course, you're not responsible for. You're not responsible for a phone or courier. So not responsible for it. What is here? What is this? My wisdom warriors, when I see this, I say, I have to come drop it pan uno. Uno can't imagine, but these people, they not admit when them wrong. Seriously. Because remember, Christopher Tufton came pan Rattigan and what him say? Him say never make mistake yet. Basically, that's what he was saying. He never make mistake yet. So, remember, say you have to learn from your mistake, Everybody have to learn from their mistake. And definitely when you're working in the healthcare system, there's always mistake. And that's how you get better when you learn from them. So when me hear him say that, I say, these people not admit. They not admit. Them are take with themselves. And I say, I don't feel them responsibility. I found a responsibility. John, what then different, This is a Jamaica Labour Party government. Then different, my wisdom warriors. Then different. Jano. I hope this sort out. Seriously. But the thing I like with them, they don't like to admit to things. And that me not understand why. One afraid of bashing. Everybody have to get bashing. Everybody have to get it. You understand? One have to admit to things, man, when you no wrong, man. But you not take no responsibility for that. When a phone no courier, a phone no courier cause the whole problem. One not easy. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what to think about this. The Westmoreland Chamber of Commerce is urging the Jamaica Public Service JPS to specify when power will be restored fully to the parish. President Moses Chaibar says since Hurricane Beryl passage on 3rd of July, several Westmoreland communities have been without electricity. He says this prolonged outage is impacting business owners significantly. But hold on there. Hold on the President Moses. Me no know if you not hear by now or you keep secret or the people not come and report this to you. But apparently these JPS workers are charging customers 70,000 for turn on back them light. 70,000 for turn on back them light. When I hear these things, my wisdom warrior, other day I come out and me talk about it. And a lot of people are reach out to me. This need to stop. This need to stop. When I get paid for doing no work, when I go out and do no work to the best of our ability. Do not charge customers no money for turn on no light. Don't do that. That is totally unacceptable. My wisdom warriors, when I hear these things, people has been reaching out to me. This is the 5th person who reach out to me complaining in a Westmoreland. People all get beat up for. This thing is wrong, my wisdom warriors. Come on. And because of Hurricane Beryl, make people them not have no light. And true because the people them well want the light. The people them are pay the 70,000 my wisdom warriors. You can't stay there. The people them are pay the money. Just so they don't want to stay in the darkness. But on Jamaican, just because you don't know no rights, that's why you make these people get away with these things. We not get 70, we don't have money. You don't even have money to buy a little sugar somehow, and you well want light. You not pay this money. Them are something you have to report it, man. You have to report it. You have to come out and talk, because them are something is wrong. You have to come out, do video chat. You don't have to show no face. Talk, hide on the voice. You can't hide the voice. You come out and speak up, man. Them are something is wrong. You can't imagine JPS a charge 70,000 for switch on back light. Them are something a daylight robbery. Real daylight robbery thing them a deal with. Real daylight robbery. Them are something a wickedness, man. Them are something I need to stop. It need to stop and it need to stop now. And Jamaican people, you know, for get up, man, you know, for rise up, man, and lick out against these things, man. You know, for stop make people a trample up on, you know. Stop allow the government for a deal with you, so. Stop make JPS a deal with you, so. And never found no fault. You understand? Them a get pay. I feel them duty. Then if you come out and switch on back the light, nobody no fear pay them dying out hard and bright.
The care package with the labor right them a give out. One brother me no know with me. 2 star fruit over there so I give it. Passion me no see long time with poil. 3 means lime and I no see lime. This is the most valuable thing still. Piece of this when I good. And then I will stand blow down.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see that door, Lord Jesus, when me see it, me I say, is this true? Seriously. A hand banana piece of bread, that the bread they look like, that not look like a Jamaican bread at all. That look like one of them bread that will come from foreign. Seriously, me can't believe so the labor right then really give out that. So that them no wonder why them a hide and a give out the care package them. No wonder. Cause me I say, you know, Andrew only said them are gonna be transparent. I mean I wonder how me now see. When me look me see Nesta, I bring one lady and say, come, me have seen a figure. But then in a video that the part there. So, my wisdom warrior, boy, I do not know what is going on. Because then say them might be transparent and I'll know me not see no transparency. Wanna see it? If wanna see it, wanna send me the video, then make me see. Because all me I look. Only thing them a chat about a Mark Golden dual citizenship same way. Because they don't have nothing upon Marky, so all that them a talk about. Andrew only someone next one a walk and a talk about everything is going well. If you stop it, because whole heap of people need food. Whole heap of people need clothes. Big up to the whole of the volunteer them. Big up to the whole of the volunteer them we help. Big up to everybody we are donate. Because if I never own enough people who no near all today. So big up on a nice clean self. Because Andrew let's get one bag of money. And all know we not hear nothing about it. Nothing on the short. Me hear say Floyd Green is doing really well over one part, over one place in St. Elizabeth. You understand? Me hear about it, my wisdom warriors. Me never really see. But me hear say him a do well. You understand? And when them a do well, you have to show it. You get what I mean? And you have to talk about it. Me hear say him a do well. So big up to over there. So me like what them a do. And me like what him a do for the St. Elizabeth people them. And the other hand now. On the other hand, we want Andrew Holness to make sure say the whole of the MP then get the money. And make sure say the people can get food stuff. Make sure that the people then get, plywood and chapalin and stuff like that. Come on. A lot of people still asleep out the door. A lot of people is still sleeping outside. My wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness not stop walk and tell people how he might go make Negril be municipal. When I hear them something here, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has highlighted the need for Negril to have its own local authority, which will enable the town to better management its affairs. Why Andrew Holness going around and a perplexing people them? Why me not understand this man? This is the time where unofia deal with the people them needs and wants. You out here, gone and Negril, gonna tell the people them, but have them own local authority. Andrew Holness, why you walk around and a perplex the people them? A pure lime, he not do nothing down on Negril. Lime I tell. The last time, Negril people, I want to fix up on the folly ground, and look what go on. The last time Andrew Holness come down there, when promise road. You get road, all till today, you no get no road. You understand? No Andrew Holness come now and talk about municipal. No, the man come and talk about municipal for Negril. It Andrew a pure PR stunt. Pure PR stunt. Box cover, me can't believe Andrew Holness. The last time Andrew Holness go down on Negril, my wisdom warriors, he tell the people them say how am I going to give them road in a 2 weeks time. Until today day. You know how much months that? You know how much months that? And then this man of the audacity, I trick the people them. I tell them about how we're going to make you have your local authority. You can't. I tell them dangerous, Me don't know where you come from. Pure lie, pure PR stunt, pure that Andrew Holness do. And Andrew have to stop it. And the people of Jamaica, you have to know this by now, it's a pure trick. Andrew Holness a trick, you have to know these things. You don't even have water. You really make a man come down and tell you about hey, you really make a man come down, yes sir. I come and I tell you about having a local authority. If you make place better management of place, that for sure that the place now manage good. You have read between the lines. This a man Negril not even have water. You have run him away. You come like you forget. You easily forget so. You don't have water from last year December. And you really make Andrew Holness come and tell you no rubbish. Before you run with the man. I run if you run him away. Why? Me no understand. You easily get tricky, man. You easily get tricked. With open arms. You allow Andrew Holness to come in a place. I come and tell you now about municipal. No, sir. My wisdom warriors. This is definitely a PR stunt. This is definitely a PR stunt. And you shopkeeper, you stay there. You stay there, agree to these nonsense where Andrew Holness come out and I tell you no. Next minute, you all out of business. You stay there going like, you no head back. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, text yes to my WhatsApp number, which is 876-236-9097, and I will definitely add you to the group. Don't text yes in the comment section. Come and say no for no text yes in the comment section. Guys, no. Text yes to my WhatsApp number and then I will add you. All right? Blessings upon blessings. One love.